Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:23 p.m. I was hoping it was 4:20, but it's December 18, 2020, Friday. Insane Tesla action, insane market action, SPY, quad witching Friday. Definitely some fireworks day, whether you're trading or not. It was pretty exciting to watch. Tesla hitting 695, but not until it flushed down to 628.54. I'll get into the details about that in a second. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Decent day, not great, but good. Yesterday was really nice. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday sucked, and that caused me to be a little bit more hesitant both yesterday and today. I'm looking forward to Monday already because I don't plan to be as hesitant. I definitely plan to be risk tolerant, but not hesitant. Hesitancy cost me several trades, and I got off to a weird start because I was looking at, I don't know why I was looking at Boeing. I think I just wanted this inside candle here on the 2-minute, the break here, and I kind of got flushed down really quick. This was really quick. Didn't really give me much pain because this action mainly happened. But see here, it went down to 221.57, and it kind of flushed me out with 200 shares. I didn't go heavy with it, and I took a $90 loss on it. I was like, oh, and then 2 seconds later, whoop, ripped a buck. So my idea was right. I think I just pushed the entry. I probably should have had a lower stop. But early in the morning on Boeing can be a little bit tricky, and I got off to a bad start. So right then, that made me even more hesitant. But one of my favorite stocks lately is BILI, and I did like this setup here. It topped out here at 85. And I was looking for the 85 break, and I got it here. Got some sales off at 85.75, 85.53. Made like 80 bucks on that trade. Probably could have had a little bit more share size. I had 300 share size. Probably could have had $300 on that. But pretty much got me back to break even on the day from that Boeing trade. And then QS showed up. You know, I've been talking about QS a lot. I'm still on 2-minute charts here because that's what I've been trading. But I only went with 200 shares on this one through 70, back through 70 here at 11 o'clock. It was at 11 o'clock, so it was right here through 70. It went up to 70.39 and flushed down pretty good. I got off with a small win there. I was looking for the bigger gain, and it didn't work out for me. I took a stupid, no, that wasn't it. Oh, and then I took, don't ask me, you know who I'm talking to. Don't ask me why. There's a news on Lennar. I really thought it was going to squeeze down here, and as it broke up, I forgot where it was, where it broke up, maybe around the 80-50 area. It actually never did on a 2-minute. Maybe I was looking on a smaller time frame at the time. I don't blame you for this, but I'm here. It took out this level here, and I got in at 81.50 and took a small loss, like $100 on it. I don't know what I was thinking. I was looking for it to reverse. This was just a ridiculous, I don't know what it was, just a bad trade, bad design, you know, all the moving averages moving down and stuff like that. Just not a great trade. Though, but that's on a 1-minute chart. But on a 5-minute chart, if you look at a 5-minute chart, it looks pretty good right around there for if it climbed up. But shorter time frames sometimes gets me in a tough situations. But then I came back to Tesla. Came back from lunch around this time, and I just took the breakout here at 675 on this candle movement, and it just cranked. I cranked up, made $100 on the trade, and walked away. I was only in for 50 shares maybe, and so I'll take that all day long. And then the fireworks started. Tesla drop off here. Once it got to the 60, it was a nice bounce at the 60 here. You can see that low 60, 660.06, back up. And my next call was 47. So on my 200 here, it was 200 earlier. It's 200. It's 648 now, but it was 247. It actually got down to 246.11, but back through 50 on this candle, ripped to 58. Okay, so 50 to 58, and had 75 shares on that one, and made another $100 on it. Another trade triggered, And it was unfortunate because I really like 630. And 630 went to 628, and coming back through 630, never looked back. Never looked back, went all the way up to 6. I would still have shares potentially at 680. But while that was happening, I was back at QS. QS end of the day back through 73 or 70. What was it? 72. Sorry, 72 here. Ripped up to 73.04. I got out. Never actually took out my stop. Went back up to 73.70. I should have made more money on that one, but I kind of failed on that one. Meanwhile, FUBO was the call of the day. I wanted to take this one big. This was the one I really wanted through 40 or through 39 here. Blasted through 39 and ripped for $1.18. I was thinking with 500 shares in this one. This was going to be my big one today. And would have been a nice way to close out the week. It really would have. Obviously, that Tesla was nice to get that $100. But while that's going on, QS was going on. This was going on. And there was a lot going on. But the other misses today, I was just talking about that real quick because another IPO today. Back through 50 on this one. Really nice trade there. Even 51 here. Boom. Another IPO working out really well. I liked FEYE. Just wasn't really paying attention at the right times. But this move here through 1850, pulled down for a couple candles, right? 1843 high, 1848 high, boom. Right through 19, never looked back, got up to like 1989. So really nice setup. Look at this 5-minute chart, just like climb daily, just insane. A lot going on in this particular candle, and on this candle I should say. And but Tesla was just the one I think everyone was talking about today. I felt like I caught a few. I definitely missed 7. I counted the ones I really wanted. Obviously 2 happened around the same time. I could only trade 1 because I wasn't getting into 2 trades because they're going to be quick flyers. Even UPST set up today. UPST here back through 42, boom, here 43, right here hit 43 here, or 42 here, 42.09, and then back through 42, boom. AI. Who watched AI today, huh? How about that? So my call was 25 here, or 24. Right here, 24 entry. You got to pop to 26.68. It did flush down to 23, so I would have been out. But then another hit was 26 here. And then you could take the 26 here. Never got down to 126 here, and then ripped to 145. So I was watching these guys. I had these charts on my screen today, the ones I mentioned. They were all setting up, and I failed to commit. I was hesitant. It cost me probably a good amount of shares or cash. I traded small again. I just wanted to get through this week. I ended the week with 170 today. So between yesterday and today, I got some of that back from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Feeling pretty good. I got off the schneid yesterday after those 3 days, and a lot going on. This market's easy, I think, to trade. If the way I trade, it's just I'm not catching it. The person I deal with on a day-to-day basis, he's just killing it, and I'm just like, what's he doing differently? He's just been in the game for like 10 years, and he knows what he's doing. He got on the mic today, and he was just like, listen, this is an easy market. Not easy to make money, just an easy market. Like if you can throw darts around and you can make money. So he's just very cautious and telling us we got to stick to our process. And I'm all about that, and I think I was just overly cautious on a day like today. Even a stock like Laser, end of the day through 27.50. 20 through 27. Just ripped to 56, and now after hours it's at 27.82. These things are just flying. There's no rhyme or reason. You think Laser should be worth them as much as it is? It was a $12 opening stock here, and it went up to 45. Yeah, it's pulled back pretty good, but that's not the point of the video. I'm just saying, be careful. because markets will get tough, and it was tough for me on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Obviously, I wish I traded that size today and yesterday. And you just got to be cautious when you need to be, when things aren't acting correctly. I mean, the markets are down overall, but I made money, so we'll leave it at that. You guys have a good weekend. I don't know if I'm going to do a video tomorrow, but if I do, check it out. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. And enjoy your time off, and we'll be back on Monday. Have a good one.